Okay, this is Chris. This is our anti-safety device for the Acceptor ITL brand. Okay, so which means there is a wires come from the Acceptor, and then you connect this side, and then the other side connect to harness, and then it work with the printers which can prevent from the jammer device cheatings. Okay, this is for the ITL Acceptor, and we will show you the other wire which almost looks same, which can prevent from the brand Acceptor of PTI printer or GBA. Okay, thank you. Hi, this is Chris. Okay, now we're introducing a new anti-safety device to protect your Acceptor from cheating. Okay, this brand, this is for the ITL brand, which can prevent the jammer device from cheatings. Okay, okay, this is for the ITL. Okay, and then the other one is for the PTI and the GBA. Okay, so this two is for the ITL brand, and then this two one is for the PTI printer and the GBA printer. Okay, this is very and it's different from the ITL, but also this can prevent. Okay, thank you. See, we have a lot of them and sold hundreds to customers in United States. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.